Hello, my name is Yusuf Gali. Today I'm going to explain our project, the e-learning course management system. We will start now with the introduction. The e-learning course management system leverages technology to address inefficiencies in traditional course management. The challenges include manual processing that is time consuming. Second, difficulty in tracking student performance. Third, lack of integration between academic operation. This system provides a database drive approach to enhance user experience and improve efficiency. And second, the problem statements and objective. We will start with the problem statement. First, efficient course management results in confusion and decreased productivity. And second, fragmented student and instructor data lead to redundancy and errors. Third, limited access to scattered learning resource, reduce student engagement. And about the objectives, first, the streamline course management by integrating planning and resource. Second, centralize and optimize data handling for students and interactors. Third, provide centralized and accessible learning resource. And about the business rules relationship, many to many between the student and courses. Students enroll in multiple courses and each course has multiple students. Second, about one to many between instructors and courses. Each instructor teacher teaches multiple courses, but a course is assigned to one instructor. About one to many between the courses and assignments. Each course has multiple assignments, but each assignment is linked to one course. About many to many between student and assignments. Student can submit multiple assignments, and each assignment can have multiple student submissions. About one to many between courses and learning materials. A course can have multiple learning materials, but each material belongs to one course.
My name is Jehran Osama Nabil. I'm from Faculty of Information Science and Technology, and I'll explain the ARD diagram. And as we see in this slide, we have the ARD entity relationships diagram, and in this diagram we have entities like student, course, instructor, etc. And relationships includes many to many from students between students and course entity, but we break this relation because we cannot have many to many relationships in ERD diagram, and we create a new entity called enrollment, and we have one to many between relationship between instructor and courses. And here, as we see, the normalization process. First, normal form. The goal: eliminate repeating groups and ensure atomicity. Actions: created separate tables for entities like student, course, instructor. Each table has a primary key and attributes are atomacy. Used foreign key to link tables. Examples: tables like student and course. And the second normal form, the goal: remove partial dependencies, ensure non-key attributes depend fully on the primary key. Actions: removed attributes partially dependent on the primary key. Example: first name and last name. Moved these attributes to their respective tables like student and instructor. The result: non-key attributes now fully dependent on the primary key. And the third normal form, the goal: remove transitive dependencies, ensure attributes dependent only on the primary key. Actions: ensured no non-key attributes depend on the other non-key attributes. No major change needed as the scheme was already in the second normal form with no transitive dependencies. And as we see here, the final tables after normalization.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad and I'm from Faculty of Information Science and Technology, and I will be demonstrating how we manage and set up the database system using SQL. So first, I will create the students table to store students details like ID, name, etc. This table is essential because it holds all the basic information about students in our system. I have created students table with comments for students, as you can see. Similarly, we have created other tables like instructors and course to store instructors and course details. Next, I will show you how to modify tables using the alter command. For example, let's add phone number comments to add the students table. This is useful when we need to update the structure of our database system. Now, the students table has a new comment for phone number. We can also use alter to add foreign key constraints. For instance, I will link the course table to the instructor table to ensure that every course is assigned to a valid instructor. This ensures data integrity by preventing invalid entries like a course without an instructor. Now let's populate the table with the data. I will insert students table, students records into the students table. This is how we add real-world data to our system. I have added the students with ID 1, my name Muhammad Ali, and other detail. We can also insert multiple records at once, like adding several students or course in a single command. In summary, we have created, modified, inserted real-world data into the system. These steps are foundations for any database system. Now I will hand it over to my teammates for the next part. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Bint Abd Hussein. I'm from Faculty of ICT. Okay, now I'm going to explain the triggers and function as well as the procedure that we use it in our database. Actually, we have 3 triggers and 4 procedure with 5 functions we use in our database. I'm going to explain one of each, and other are explained in detail in the report. So first of all, we have the trigger. The first trigger we use it is to prevent a duplicate enrollment. For example, if student is already exist in the enrollment, or he is enrolled previously, we cannot enroll him again. As you can see, here is the trigger that we use it. And if the student exists, it will show this duplicate enrollment detected. So I'm going to test the triggers. So as you can see here, we have this student. For example, student yes, number 6. He is already exist here, and you want to enroll him again. You can use this one. So as you can see here, duplicate enrollment detected because student this one number 1, he's already exists, and now if we want to enroll him again, it will show that error. This is the first trigger. And going to the procedure. The first procedure we use is to enroll student into a course. So the purpose of this procedure is to enroll student easily in the enrollment. So this is the procedure that we use it. So I'm going to test the procedure now. So I want to enroll the student with ID 2 in this course. So student is enrolled, and you want to see the result. So as you can see here, student number 2 enrolled with this course. It makes it very easy for the purpose of this procedure. So going to the function, I'm going to explain that the first function is to calculate average grade for a course, and this is the function. This is the function that we made it, and this is the function that we use it to the representation for A and B, C, D. So going to call the function or test the function, and here we want to see how many are the average for grade the average grade in this course. As you can see here, it's 4. That's it from me.